Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today is day 13 of my NEWvember challenge. So if you'd like to see what I eat in a day, be sure to watch this video. For breakfast this morning, I'm making a breakfast sandwich with 1 egg, a 2-piece light English muffin, and some ready-cooked bacon. And then I'm using some American cheese. I found this Deli Deluxe American 2% milk. It is only 2 points per slice. So this breakfast is 5 points, and then I'm gonna have an iced coffee, so that is 6 points total for breakfast today. Actually brought some carry-out breakfast for my husband and son, but I didn't get it because I know they cook with so much oil and it's way more points, and so I made my own breakfast this morning. It's football Sunday again. 3 pizzas, wings, all kinds of food. But I brought my own. So while they're having pizza, I made a little snack. I have some Trader Joe's spinach artichoke dip right here. This is it. It is 1 point per tablespoon. So I have 2 points of that, and then I have 1 point of turkey pepperoni and 3 points worth of the everything crackers and 0 for the cucumbers. So instead of having a pizza, this is what I had. It's 6 points. I also brought myself a sandwich. I have 2 points of Sara Lee Delightful bread, some turkey, and some light mayo. So this is a 4-point sandwich. Actually, it's a 5-point sandwich. It's the smoked turkey bologna, and the white bread is 2 and 1 point for the light mayo. I made a bowl of 0-point popcorn in my popcorn maker in the microwave with no oil, and I sprayed it with some butter spray, theater butter spray, and I'll put a link to that in the description box. So there is my dinner tonight. I made some Fiber Gourmet pasta, and 4 ounces of it cooked is 6 points, and I have some 98% fat-free cream of mushroom soup. So I made a tuna casserole. So that's what that is. And then I have some broccoli. And that is going to be an 11-point dinner. I just love comfort food like this on a cold night. And it's football Sunday, and I'm at home now, and I made good choices for the day. So I'm ending the day with an apple and 3 points worth of peanut butter. So that will end my day, this 3-point snack. So that's going to be the end of day 13 of NEWvember. I ended the day using 30 points. I feel I made a lot of good choices today and was able to resist food that probably was too much for me, and I made healthy substitutions. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.